M16 rear wheel removal and installation. Flip the display over and turn the e-bike upside down. Remove the reinforcement plate fixing screws. Loosen the rear wheel axle fixing screws. Cut the motor wire securing zip tie and separate the motor connection wires. Remove the reinforcement plate fixing screws and the motor wire protection bracket screws. Remove the chain tensioner rod screws. Push the rear wheel forward, remove the chain, and then take off the rear wheel. Remove the rear wheel axle fixing screws, washers, and reinforcement plate. Remove the brake disc mounting bolts and take off the brake disc. Install the brake disc, paying attention to the correct front and back orientation. Tighten the mounting bolts diagonally in a cross pattern. First, place the chain onto the sprocket, install the rear wheel, then push it forward to fit the chain properly. Install the chain tensioner rod screws. Install the reinforcement plate screws and the motor wire protection bracket screws, making sure to include the washer on the inside of the reinforcement plate, then tighten the screws. Connect the motor wires properly. Turn the rear wheel axle fixing screws, but do not tighten them yet. Install the reinforcement plate and tighten the fixing screws. Install the rear wheel mounting bolts, but do not tighten them yet. Turn the chain tensioner rod screws to adjust the chain's tension to the appropriate level. Tighten the rear wheel axle fixing screws. Secure it with zip ties.